Hello my lovelies. If this is the first time you're watching this video, welcome to my channel. And if you have watched my videos before as well, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share my monthly favorites with you so that I can tell you what I liked in them and why I like them. But before I start, please take 5 seconds and go and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get reminders whenever I upload new videos. I think I'd like to start with something that I obsess over on a daily basis, and that would be my skincare. The first thing that I'd like to start with is this Asaya's Advanced Spot Targeting Serum. This I think I have started to use last month itself, and I feel this has really worked on my skin. I had a few leftover pimple marks and I could see them fade away after a few times of using this. So I am yet to use this a lot more to get the final verdict of how it works on my skin, but जितना मैंने यूज़ किया है उसके हिसाब से I could see that it has made my skin clearer than before, and it has also helped remove the little pimple marks that I had. So this would be the first thing that comes under my monthly favorites. Moving on to the moisturizer, I think this, nothing can beat this and Cetaphil also, but this is what I used last month, and this is my monthly favorite for the month of July. I think all my dry skin girlies would know, if you have used this changes your life so much. It makes your skin so better, so hydrated. And for the ones who have not used it, I think this is one of the most affordable moisturizers that you can easily find in drugstores, and I actually love this. One of my other friends recommended me, who's also a content creator. She recommended this to me, knowing that I have a really dry skin, and I think since then I could not go back. I keep swapping between Cetaphil and Aquasoft, but I think Aquasoft wins it for me most of the times, क्योंकि this is genuinely so hydrating. Moving on to sunscreen, I have used Asaya spray sunscreen, and honestly I genuinely love it, and I genuinely love how convenient it is to use whenever you are out या आप कहीं पे भी जाते हो. आपको बस स्प्रे करना है, जैसे आप अपना डिओ स्प्रे कर रहे हो, आपको बस अपना सनस्क्रीन स्प्रे करना है. इट इज़ सो कन्वीनियंट. बट आई थिंक when it comes to moisture along with the sunscreen, Asaya's this new sunscreen, which is Aqua Deo sunscreen, this has 50 SPF PA triple plus. This wins it for me. ये सन प्रोटेक्ट तो करता ही करता है, प्लस दिस इज़ वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. द फॉर्मूला इज़ एक्सट्रीमली हाइड्रेटिंग. So this is my current favorite, and I think the entire July I have just used this. I would like to tag this product in my monthly favorite, in my yearly favorite, in my favorites ka favorites, and I think all my girlies would agree with me. This is Cosrx Nail Mucin. Girls, if you have not used this, I am really telling you, you are missing out on something very great for your skin. This, once you use this, you cannot go back. This plus their snail cream also, but the mucin for sure. You can see I have finished it almost, and I think this is my 6th-7th bottle, and this works wonders. और सबसे बेस्ट बात है कि even if this is a little expensive, this goes on for a really long time, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ 1 या 2 पंप ही चाहिए होता है इसका to cover your entire face. The last thing in my skincare is my lip care, which I have been using since I was a kid, and this will be there for my monthly, yearly, lifetime favorites. And knowing that I'm a Bengali, अगर मैं ये नहीं बोलती मैं बहुत बड़ा पाप कर रही होती. So it is Boroline. I apply Boroline on my lips every night before going to sleep, and in the morning when I wake up, my lips are smoother than ever. Boroline is something I would really recommend for everything. I would want to be very honest with you guys. मैं हेयर केयर में कुछ नहीं करती हूँ, and if you could see, ये दिख रहा है कि मैं हेयर केयर में कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. I have been facing इश्यूज़ विद मेजर हेयर फॉल. मैं ऑयलिंग ऑनेस्टली नहीं करती हूँ बिकॉज आई फॉरगेट. मैं वीकेंड्स पे मतलब ऐसे याद भी रखने की कोशिश करती हूँ, बट मेरे दिमाग से निकल जाता है कि मुझे ऑयलिंग भी करना है. There are only two products that I genuinely diligently use, one of which is this Pilgrim Advanced Hair Growth Serum. जितना मेरा हेयर फॉल हो रहा है, माई हेयर ग्रोज वेरी क्विकली एंड आई थिंक आई विल गिव क्रेडिट्स टू दिस सिरम. इसको मैं नॉर्मली अपने डैम्प हेयर पे हल्का सा लगा के आई जस्ट पुट ऐसे मसाज इट इन सो दैट इट गोज इन टू माई रूट्स एंड आई हैव जेन्युइनली सीन रिजल्ट्स. दिस इज़ अ न्यूअर बॉटल क्योंकि मैं इसके पहले एक फिनिश कर चुकी हूँ इसका, एंड ऑनेस्टली दिस डज मेक अ डिफरेंस. मैंने अभी फेबररी में हेयर कट कराया था एंड दिस इज़ वॉट अगस्त क्या, मैंने जुलाई एंड में ही आई हैड टू गेट अ हेयर कट अगेन बिकॉज टचवुड मेरा हेयर ग्रोथ बहुत बेटर हुआ है पोस्ट दिस हेयर सिरम. Moving on to this one shampoo that my boyfriend surprisingly introduced me to, but I think I love this. This is Schwarzkopf's Bonacure shampoo range, and I think this is one of the best shampoos out there. It preserves the texture of your hair, more so makes it better, and it also helps you with a lot of things related to your hair health. This is also very good if you have colored hair like I do. It preserves the color also, making your hair healthy, and also it helps with the pH level. So I stay in Gurgaon. The water here is shitty and everybody knows of it. This shampoo has helped save my hair from that water quite a lot क्योंकि उस water का pH level बहुत बुरा है. So this helps with the pH level and helps maintain your hair's good health. Let's now talk about my favorite scent of July. My favorite scent for the month of July is this Westside ka Studio West perfume in the flavor London. This smells so good. This has the notes of patchouli, peach and an undernote of oud. This is so warm, so comforting. The smell, it genuinely feels really nice to wear this, and I mean, this is so good. आप ये दिन में भी लगा सकते हो, आप ये रात में भी लगा सकते हो. This has a very comforting fragrance, and I have had it for a really long time with me, but I recently started using it almost on a daily basis in the month of July. So I'd count it in my July favorites. While we're talking about good fragrances, let's move on to my July month's favorite candle. People who know me would know that I am genuinely obsessed with candles. I have so many candles at home, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ऐसे शाम को candle जला के either I cook or I read or I do anything, but I really like candles. So for the month of July, and also people who know me would know that I'm obsessed with Gilmore Girls. I think I have watched it 100 times, exaggerating it a little, but I have watched it too many times and I keep rewatching it. I keep going back to Gilmore Girls again and again, and anything that is related to Gilmore Girls I would want it. So this is a birthday gift from a friend. It's from the Umbrella store. So people who have watched Gilmore Girls would know who Luke is. Luke is the main character, main male character, and he has a diner which is called the Luke's Diner. So it has a logo like this. तो ये वो कैंडल है उस फ्लेवर का दे से कि उस फ्रेग्रेंस का कैंडल है, एंड व्हेन यू स्मेल इट यू कुड जेन्युइनली स्मेल अ बेकरी, something chocolatey, something cinnamony. That's what the smell is, and I genuinely love the smell. And I think all of July I have just lit this candle in the evening after coming from office, and it has lifted my mood so much. So this is the candle that I've really liked in the month of July. Moving to my second last favorite category, which would be foods and drinks. So one thing that I've really enjoyed in the past as well, and especially in the month of July, would be this lemon iced tea from Guppy Moms. The best thing about this is sugar free. This is purely sugar free. So this has a non-caloric sweetener which saves you from a lot of guilt, and this tastes exactly like the iced teas you have in restaurants and cafes. Therefore I love this. Moving on to one more healthier option is this bread from Noise अभी बहुत recently Instamart पे आया है. I have had it half. So this is a hand baked 100% wheat bread, so there's no maida there, and honestly ये ब्रेड इतना अच्छा है दैट आई हैव टोस्टेड इट फॉर जस्ट अ मिनट आई थिंक, और वो इतना क्रंची ब्रेड टर्न आउट हुआ है. प्लस द टेस्ट, यू नो दैट दिस इज होम मेड by the taste of it, by tasting how fresh it is. So आई रेकमेंड दिस टू ईच वन ऑफ यू. ये इंस्टामार्ट पे मिलता है, एंड क्योंकि ये नया नया लॉन्च हुआ है, सो दिस इज़ अ लिटिल इनएक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो एज कम्पेयर टू अदर हेल्दी ब्रेड्स. दिस आई गॉट फॉर 45 आई थिंक. एंड नॉइस का और भी बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस है ऑन इंस्टामार्ट विच आर हेल्दियर ऑप्शंस. सो आईड लाइक यू गाइज टू ट्राई दैम फॉर योर सेल्फ टू नो कि वो कितना अच्छा है. So this bread I've been using lately and I am thoroughly enjoying it. One more thing in the drinks department is this ounce ka electrolytes. So I'll tell you how I ended up having this in the month of July. I got a PR from them. So the PR was for a spearmint tea that I could choose. This came as a free product along with the spearmint tea. This is the first electrolyte that I've had that feels like I'm having a mocktail and not really an electrolyte. इसमें स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर है, ऑरेंज फ्लेवर है. आई लव बोथ ऑफ देम, स्पेशली द स्ट्रॉबेरी वन. आपको ऐसा लगेगा ही नहीं कि आप कोई हेल्थ सप्लीमेंट ले रहे हो या कुछ गिल्ट फ्री ले रहे हो और समथिंग दैट इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ, आप वो कुछ ले रहे हो. दिस टेस्ट्स लाइक अ मॉकटेल. आई हैव had this almost every day in the month of July. मैं अपने टम्बलर में भर के रख देती थी एंड एवरी सिप आई यूज टू टेक, इट यूज टू टेस्ट सो वेल. बहुत हो गई हेल्दी बातें. Now one unhealthy thing that I have enjoyed so much in the month of July is these butter cookies from Theobroma. फुल ऑफ शुगर, फुल ऑफ मैदा. जितना भी मैंने अभी बात करी है उन सबको कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करते हुए, बट आई थिंक दिस इज़ माई गिल्टी प्लेजर फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई. ये इतना टेस्टी है. दिस सेज दैट दिस इज दीज आर बटर कुकीज़, बट दिस टेस्ट सो मच लाइक बटर स्कॉच. आई लव इट. मैं ऑलमोस्ट रोज़ रात को सोने से पहले एक बाइट हाफ बाइट खा के सोती हूँ इसका. बट दिस इज़, कभी कभार मैं पूरा कुकी खा के सोती हूँ क्योंकि वो इतना टेस्टी है दैट आई कांट जस्ट रेजिस्ट माई सेल्फ. सो दिस इज़ वन थिंग दैट आई हैव थॉरली इन्जॉयड इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई, एंड आई थिंक ये अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू थॉरली इन्जॉय इट इन द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट इज़ वेल. But yes, I had 3 jars of these and I have finished 2. This is one that is left. I am not going to buy it again because I know ये बहुत sugary है. But this is one thing that I am genuinely enjoying these days. And the last thing in my favorites list today would be 2 books. This one book, I think everybody who knows me knows this about me, that I am obsessed with this book. And so much so that I have gotten a tattoo इस बुक के लिए. सो आई विल नॉट शेयर वाई आई गॉट दिस टैटू बिकॉज अगर मैंने शेयर कर दिया तो आप ये बुक नहीं पढ़ोगे. इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ आप ये बुक पढ़ो एंड यू गेट टू नो वाई आई गॉट दिस टैटू. इफ एट ऑल यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग दैट, आई वुड वॉन्ट यू टू डू इट. Please read this. If you are somebody who is into reading, if you are somebody who is not into reading, please read this. I would genuinely request you all to please read this. Don't watch the movie. Please read this book. The movie does not bring out the message even 1/4 of what this book does to you and what this book brings out. So this is It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. Please read this book. My actual July favorites for books, it is this book by John Elia, which is Q. This is a poetry book. This has a lot of poetries. It is a Hindi book. तो मुझे नहीं पता ये कितने लोग comfortable होंगे पढ़ने को या नहीं पढ़ने को. But I feel deeply connected to this book. For some reason, it is very calming. It is very soothing, and I have been enjoying this book lately. So this would be my monthly favorites for the month of July. Even though I have not finished it yet, I am yet to finish it. But since I started it in July and I loved it, I included it in my July favorites. So yes, this is my July favorites ka book. I hope I have not bored you guys and you guys have enjoyed watching what my favorites were for the month of July. Thank you for sticking with me till the end and listening to me chatter. Please don't forget to like this video and share. Please comment down below of what you actually liked and what you would buy for yourself to know why it came in my July favorites list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would be really thankful if you share all that love on me. I am already thankful for all my subscribers and I would want to bring in new ones too. Please help me grow. Please subscribe to my channel. Please press on the bell icon and please share this video as much as possible. Thank you so much. Love you.